Hey there, chocolate lovers! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of KitKat, the iconic treat that has become a staple in households across the globe. We've all enjoyed this crispy, chocolate-covered wafer at some point, but how much do we really know about how it's made, where it comes from, and how it became the beloved snack it is today? From its humble beginnings in the UK to its current status as a global favorite, KitKat has a history packed with innovation, creativity, and a whole lot of chocolate. So, if you've ever wondered what goes into making your favorite chocolate bar, stick with us as we uncover the secrets behind KitKat's production process and history. Let's go back to the year 1935, when KitKat was first introduced in the UK by the confectionery company Rowntree's. Initially known as Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp, this crispy, chocolate-covered wafer bar quickly captured the hearts and taste buds of people across Britain. Little did anyone know that this simple snack would eventually evolve into one of the most famous chocolate bars in the world. The name KitKat came from the 18th century KitKat Club in London, an exclusive society known for its intellectual discussions. The name was chosen to reflect a touch of sophistication, which was a brilliant marketing move. Fast forward to the 1950s, and KitKat was already being sold in countries like Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. In 1988, the Swiss multinational company Nestlé acquired Rowntree's and rebranded Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp as KitKat, solidifying its place as a global snack. Nestlé's acquisition brought in a new era of KitKat production, and the chocolate bar soon became one of the most popular and recognizable snacks in the world. Today, KitKat is sold in over 80 countries and is available in a wide variety of flavors, from the classic milk chocolate to dark chocolate, white chocolate, and even regional special editions. Despite all these variations, one thing remains constant: the perfect blend of crispy wafer and smooth chocolate. Now that we've learned about KitKat's fascinating history, let's take a step inside the KitKat factory and uncover how this iconic treat is made. The production process begins with the finest ingredients. Nestlé is committed to sourcing only the highest quality materials, and this includes sustainably sourced cocoa from farms in West Africa. The company's dedication to sustainability ensures that the farmers who grow the cocoa beans are paid fairly and treated with respect, and the environment is taken into consideration during the sourcing process. Once the cocoa is harvested, it's time to create the signature KitKat chocolate. This begins in the mixing phase, where a perfect blend of cocoa, sugar, and milk powder is combined to form the base of the chocolate. The next step is the congeing process, where the chocolate is refined by passing through rollers to ensure it has the smooth texture that KitKat is known for. Meanwhile, another team of experts is focused on creating the crispy wafer sheets. These delicate wafers are made from a special batter that's spread into thin layers and carefully baked until they reach a perfect golden brown. The wafer is a key component of KitKat, providing that satisfying crunch when you bite into the bar. The crispiness of the wafer is something that's carefully perfected to ensure each bite is just right. Once the wafers are baked, they are precisely stacked and cut into the right shape. These wafer pieces are then ready to move on to the most exciting part of the process: the chocolate enrobing. As the wafers move through the production line, a stream of smooth milk chocolate flows down, enveloping the wafers in a delicious layer of chocolate. This process, known as enrobing, is one of the highlights of KitKat production, and it's a sight to behold. The perfect coating of chocolate ensures that every KitKat bar has a smooth, rich exterior that complements the crispy interior. KitKat is known for its perfect combination of wafer and chocolate, and this delicate balance is what makes it stand out from other chocolate bars. After the chocolate enrobing is complete, the KitKat bars are moved to the cutting stage. Here, precise cutting machines ensure that each bar is the right size and shape. The bars are carefully cut and then sent along the production line to the packaging area. In the packaging area, robotic arms work their magic, carefully placing each chocolate-covered KitKat bar onto the conveyor belts and into the packaging. The packaging is a crucial part of the KitKat experience. It not only protects the chocolate, but also represents the iconic red and white design that we all recognize. It's at this stage that the KitKat bars are packed into recyclable wrappers, ensuring that the product is both environmentally friendly and ready for sale. Each packaged KitKat bar is then subjected to a rigorous quality check to ensure it meets Nestlé's high standards. These checks include inspecting the shape, size, and chocolate coating to ensure that every bar is perfect. The KitKat bars are then boxed up, sealed, and sent to distribution centers across the globe. And there you have it. From the perfect blend of ingredients to the meticulous attention to detail during every step of the production process, KitKat remains a beloved chocolate treat that continues to satisfy millions of people worldwide. Thanks to its combination of crispy wafers, smooth chocolate, and commitment to quality, KitKat has earned its place as one of the most famous snacks in the world. If you've enjoyed learning about the history and production of KitKat, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious discoveries and insider looks into the world's most iconic snacks and treats. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.